Play beyond limits. Welcome to interactive sports. Real movement meets immersive digital gameplay. Hit, throw, shoot, score. Every move triggers instant feedback, turning every game into an exciting. Players don't just watch, they move, compete, react, and come back for more. Play solo, challenge friends, or compete in teams. With 20 virtual ball games across 4 play modes, every session feels fresh. Train with target practice, bullseye challenges, precision drills, and moving targets. Or jump into competitive games built for speed, scoring, and strategy. Use real rackets and real balls. Tennis, football, pickleball, and basketball become immersive, interactive sports experiences. From solo practice and 1v1 battles to group competitions with up to 30 players, everyone can join the action. Perfect for family entertainment centers, sports clubs, schools, shopping malls, and event spaces. Turn unused walls into high-energy attractions that draw attention, increase engagement, and keep visitors longer. Advanced motion tracking captures even the fastest shots with impressive speed and precision. Compatible with projectors or LED screens for spaces of all sizes. Interactive sports transforms real balls into unforgettable virtual ball games and powerful interactive wall games. More players, more engagement, more revenue. Ready to transform your venue?
Want to know how these types of projects can be realized? Contact us directly. Not only are there affordable mature products for sale, but we can also provide customized services for your creativity.